Hello, and welcome to the third chapter of the Bybit 101 course. In the 10th lesson, we will be talking about Bybit Learn and how easy can it be to understand the basics of crypto from just a few clicks. Let's get started. From the Bybit main menu, click on the Promotions tab and after on Bybit Learn. Here you can find educational content. Bybit Learn boasts a vast library of educational content covering various aspects of cryptocurrency trading and blockchain technology. Beginner friendly. Bybit Learn offers easy to understand guides on fundamental concepts like blockchain technology, cryptocurrency wallets, and how to get started with trading. These resources help newcomers build a solid foundation in the world of crypto. Advanced strategies. Seasoned traders can benefit from advanced trading strategies, technical analysis tutorials, and in-depth market insights. Bybit Learn equips traders with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions and navigate the volatile crypto markets effectively. Webinars and workshops. Bybit regularly hosts webinars and workshops featuring industry experts and experienced traders, allowing participants to ask questions and gain real-time insights. Trading simulators. Bybit Learn also offers trading simulators that allows users to practice trading without risking real funds. This feature is invaluable for those looking to exercise their trading skills before diving into the live markets. Market analysis. Keeping up with market trends and analysis is crucial for successful trading. Bybit Learn provides regular market analysis and commentary, helping traders stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto space. And the best thing is, all the information is 100% free. In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies, staying informed and educated is paramount. Bybit Learn offers an invaluable resource for traders of all levels. With its commitment to fostering financial literacy and supporting the crypto community, Bybit Learn is a must-visit platform for anyone interested in the world of digital assets. In the next lesson, we will be talking about Bybit Blog. See you in the next one.